Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of low energy, sadness, and lack of motivation? You're not alone. Depression can feel overwhelming, but the good news is that small, everyday habits can make a big difference in how you feel. In this video, we'll talk about 5 practical and proven habits that can help you fight depression and boost your mood. These aren't magical cures, but they are powerful tools that can give you a sense of control, help you feel better, and take steps toward a brighter day. Stick around because you might just find the key to lifting your spirits and regaining your spark. Let's dive into these life-changing habits. 1. Start your day with gratitude. It might sound too simple to be effective, but practicing gratitude can have a profound impact on your mental health. Studies show that when we focus on the positives, our brain starts to rewire itself to notice more good things around us. Every morning, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. These don't have to be big things. They can be as simple as a good night's sleep, the smell of coffee, or the support of a friend. Gratitude reduces stress, improves sleep, and helps you see the world in a more positive light. This habit might feel awkward at first, but over time, it trains your brain to shift focus from what's wrong to what's right. 2. Move your body daily. Exercise isn't just about physical health. It's a powerful mood booster. When you move, your brain releases endorphins, often called the feel-good hormones. You don't have to spend hours at the gym. A 20-minute walk in nature, yoga, or even dancing around your living room can do wonders. Exercise also reduces levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which is often elevated in people dealing with depression. Plus, setting and achieving fitness goals can give you a sense of accomplishment. 3. Nourish your body with the right foods. What you eat can directly affect your mood. A diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides your brain with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Include omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, which are linked to lower levels of depression. Limit processed foods and sugar, which can lead to energy crashes and worsen feelings of fatigue and irritability. Don't underestimate the power of hydration. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue and lower your mood, so keep that water bottle handy. 4. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment without judgment. This practice helps you break free from the cycle of overthinking, which is often a hallmark of depression. Spend just 10 minutes a day focusing on your breathing, observing your thoughts, and grounding yourself in the present. Apps like Headspace or Calm can guide you through mindfulness exercises, but you can also practice it on your own. Over time, mindfulness improves emotional regulation and helps you respond to stress more effectively. 5. Build a support network. Humans are social creatures, and meaningful connections are essential for emotional well-being. Reach out to a friend, join a support group, or connect with a therapist. Even small acts like chatting with a neighbor or smiling at a stranger can lift your mood. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to ask for help. Isolation can make depression worse, but opening up can create a sense of belonging and remind you that you're not alone. Remember, fighting depression isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about small, consistent steps that build up over time. These 5 habits, practicing gratitude, staying active, eating nourishing foods, embracing mindfulness, and leaning on your support network, are tools to help you regain your strength and boost your mood. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need it. And if you've got other habits or strategies that have helped you, drop them in the comments below. Let's create a space where we can support and inspire each other. Subscribe to the channel for more content on mental health, personal growth, and wellness. Together we can navigate life's challenges and build a happier and healthier future. Take care of yourself. You're worth it. See you in the next video.